Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer bookkeeping categories in Xero for US taxes, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring bookkeeping categories in Xero for US taxes, log into your Xero account. Navigate to the accounting menu on the dashboard. Select reports from the drop-down options. Locate and click on accounting reports in the reports section. Find the tax category and select tax returns. Choose the relevant tax year for which you want to generate the report. Click on Add New to create a new tax return. Select the appropriate bookkeeping categories you want to transfer. Review the existing categories listed in the report. If necessary, you can add new categories by clicking on Add Category. Fill in the required details. Once all categories are added or adjusted, confirm the changes by clicking Save. Now, go back to the main menu. Click on Settings in the drop-down list. Select Chart of Accounts to view your current bookkeeping categories. You can edit existing categories to ensure they align with your tax requirements. To do this, click on the category you wish to edit. Make any necessary adjustments and save your changes. Next, return to the Tax Returns report. Review the categories you have updated to ensure they reflect correctly. To prepare for filing, export the tax return by clicking on the Export button. Save the document in your desired format. Finally, consult with your accountant to ensure compliance with U.S. tax laws. This ensures that your bookkeeping categories are accurately transferred for tax purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.